SilverStone's RM42-502 Rackmount Chassis offers a very solid 4-unit form factor that comfortably fits large workstation or server builds while still being manageable in depth and weight. Its support for full-size server-class motherboards and 240mm liquid cooling radiators makes it well-suited for high core count processors that need serious and quiet cooling. The front panel includes a keyed lock and sturdy construction, adding a reassuring layer of physical security for drives and power controls in shared racks or studio spaces. Drive support is flexible, with dual optical size bays that can be repurposed for either 3 1/2 inch or 2 1/2 inch storage, plus a modern front panel that includes a universal serial bus Type-C port for easy access. Pre-marked mounting points for sliding rails simplify installation in standard racks, so you spend less time fighting hardware and more time configuring the system. A nice bonus is that the chassis can be used either horizontally in a rack or stood upright like a tower, giving you more freedom in how and where you deploy it.